that the Batman's car is still parked just outside of the intensive treatment building. Now, we can't just have him up and leave us, can we?
The tunnel's locked down. No one in or out. It's cool.
It's not cool. Joker's unpredictable. Stay alert.
Yeah? You think he'll come this way? I won't let Joker or any of his gang through, Batman.
Sorry, sir, but you can't come in this way. It's locked down.
Where does the door lead?
It led to the old pump station. Warden Sharp had it closed down soon after he arrived. Said it was a security risk.
Control, come in! Batman is here! I repeat, Batman is on the mansion grounds!
Oracle, disable the Batmobile's countermeasure system.
I saw the alert. What's wrong? Where are you?
I'm outside the Arkham Mansion. Harley Quinn probably triggered the alarm. If she's still got Gordon with her, he could get hurt.
Okay, done. The Batmobile is still parked up outside the intensive treatment building in Arkham North. I've sent you the schematics for the entire island. I've marked key locations like your car.
Thanks, Oracle.
I heard what happened on the news. Thought you bringing Joker back here was a good thing.
So did I. Stay here while I deal with this.
Take patient interview. Subject has no recorded name. Alias listed as the Joker. In the room is Warden Sharp and myself, Dr. Young.
Is this another one of those boring psych evaluation tests?
No, it's not. So, you're the famous Joker.
In the flesh. You want me to look at the ink cards again? The first one is a kitten I had when I was a child. The second is... a dead elephant. The third is a...
Funny. Now let's skip this one.
Skip the joke? Hey, Sharpie, didn't she get my permanent record? Be quiet, clown.
Every doctor that has ever interviewed you claims it.
It's dangerous down there, Batman. We've got multiple Blackgators. They've got a hold of firearms. Probably from the guard armory.
Thanks for the concern, officer. But it'll take more than guns to stop me.
Some of my guys are pinned down in there. It's a massacre.
Stay here. I'll deal with this.
I can't believe it. They killed Jackson.
Stay with your colleague. I'm ending this. Now.
Good. I've been wanting some time with them. Dangled me off a damn building in Lower Gotham.
my control. That's right, boys and girls. Mine! Just wait till you see my plans for this race. It's going to be glorious.
Yeah! Hit him again! Hit him harder! Yeah! Hit him again! You want some of this? Beat the crap out of you.
There's a supply of explosive